Hi guys, my name is Tanisha,
I'm Jay.
and we are the owners of Prime 623 Restaurant and Bar. At Prime 623, you get fine dining, great ambiance, and a good vibes. Prime 623 was built and formatted out of prayer, struggle, commitment, greatness, patience, and love. So we want to bring you guys into our world to show y'all how we built Prime 623 Restaurant and Bar.
Wonderful, thanks, Matthew.
Hello guys, welcome to Puerto Plata Seafood. This is Dione. I'm here with my friends from Prime 623. Jay. Nice.
I'm Tanisha.
Hello Tanisha.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Junior, our guy, we already know him. We met Junior already. We know Junior.
We deal with him every day, so
Yeah. This is the go-to guy right here.
Yes, yes.
every day we do our orders, this is the contact.
You ready to go check out the lobsters?
Let's check out the fish.
Okay, let's go.
Our goal at Prime 623 was giving back the community something new and different that they didn't have before.
Yeah, these are nice. These look nice.
So these are live Canadian lobsters. We get this consistently 2 to 3 times a week, straight from Canada. Very fresh. Look at those fins move. We get multiple sizes. We get a pound, pound and a quarter, pound and a half, 2 pounds, all the way up to 7 pound lobsters.
Yeah, so we need 30 of these today.
30, we got them. Those are exceptional. Those are
Those are
beautiful.
big.
Those are the Brazilian Caribbean ones, the number one.
Brazilian
The best
Caribbean
ones.
one?
That's the number one shrimp right now, 1620, shell on.
All right, yeah, we definitely gonna need some more of those.
It's from Ecuador. It's delicious.
Two more
Two
boxes.
cases, yeah, we could do 2 cases of the shrimp. Because our shrimp sell out fast. It's freezing in here.
Yeah, it's cold. The ocean tides. We got the Natuna ones. Those are the best ones. The lighting's a little low. But I think we can get
Yeah, we can get these. These sizes good. This is perfect.
So, if you guys want to see more, come with us.
have a key here. Hold on. You got it?
A lot of people
Yeah.
don't even understand we buy a lot of fresh stuff. We buy the frozen ones and that's already pre-made. But
Yeah, we cut those up ourselves.
That's quality stuff. Yeah. It's not cheap. It's expensive.
But everybody loves prime calamari, so
It's a must-have.
yeah. So yeah, 2 cases of that. Yeah, we could get the lobster tail. Those are the ones that we did for the Valentine's Day special,
Wow,
right?
Beauty. Yes.
All right.
Those
Yeah,
are
same
gorgeous.
All right.
Those
so,
are Brazilian
yeah.
lobster tails. Those are the best ones. All right, so let's pull out a salmon fillet. Necesitamos mostrar un salmón entero. Sí. Vamos a sacar uno. Pull one out, saque uno.
That's how they look like.
Yes,
That
look
is
at the salmon
huge.
right there.
Oh my
You guys
god.
want a picture with it?
That is a big
Vamos a hacer una
boy.
foto con ellos. It takes years of training and practice to get one fillet and one shot out. As you see, no waste there on the bones. Very clean cut.
Nice.
This is Atlantic salmon. We import it ourselves every day. Comes fresh to JFK Airport, then straight to our warehouse, then to Prime 623.
623.
So here we have our clams. These are fresh clams, Virginia clams. We also got Rhode Island clams. These are our little necks. These are our top necks. We always try to ice them very well so they arrive very fresh. These are our live oysters. These are the oysters, Blue Point oysters. And then here we have the Malpac oysters. These are Malpac oysters. Look at that.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Easy get in the bag.
Live mussels, PI mussels.
Yeah, my name is Anthony. I'm a chef at Prime 623. Yeah, and we always try to prepare the best, the freshest on a daily basis.
How you guys doing? Welcome to Prime 623. My name is Jean. I'm a bartender here. I just made a few drinks. The spot is a vibe. This is one of our more famous drinks, the Palmeritas. This is the rum punch garnished with a nice strawberry and orange juice. And this is our legendary Notorious. Shout out to B.I.G. The Prime is the vibe. We're here. Come get your favorite drinks here.